suck.
It's hard to improvise when...
It is hard to improvise on this. I guess it's just that we need to express our genuine feelings about the live, laugh, love. We are going on a road trip with each other and really enjoy each other's company. It's how you approach situations and how you approach life. I approach things with a lot of lightness and joy. Every situation really has positives and negatives. For me, it's the small things that brighten up my mood. It's the details of life, running through fields and smelling the nature. Hey cutie, zip my back please. Actually zip my back please. Or painting. I always picture myself painting something beautiful.
Sometimes it's really hard to enjoy the little things in life when you're being drowned in a lot of negativity, whether it's by media or by the people around you. I keep treasuring the people that I care about, that are around me, and that also helps me focus on trying to work on myself and work on loving life as it is, because honestly it's really hard for me to be appreciative of having this life. It does help when you're having a bad day and there's a person you care about that brightens up your mood, or there's like a funny situation that you can laugh at and forget about the everyday problems that you are facing.
In my daily life, quite often I feel like I'm not really here. I mean, physically I am here, and clearly I am real, but mentally I don't feel like I'm at this place at all. My friends, I guess, the ones who keep me grounded, get me back to this planet.
Each and every one of us has something that makes us appreciate life a little more. It can be the little things. It can be waking up and seeing the sun. It can be our first coffee in the morning. It can be even a little text to wish us a great day, or to see if we're going to make it to an event by a person that we love or appreciate. And it can also be the little moments of misfortune or miscommunication, or even sometimes a bad event that turned into a good memory. It doesn't really have to have a reason at times. Life's quite unpredictable, and even if a friendship would end, we still have plenty of memories to look back on.
And there's always aeroducts.
Aeroducts for the win.
For the win.
See how much we loved and cared for each other, and how much we shared.
Exactly.
Quite a big part of our lives, and how we grew and sometimes even grew apart. But that doesn't mean that it's over. That doesn't mean that life ends when a friendship does. And with this message, I just want to let everyone know that life's a journey, and if there's sometimes a need to have a means to an end, that always doesn't have to be a negative one.
International. Don't test me, boy. Don't test me, boy. Cause I rap with the best of the show. Real bad to the death of me. Cremate my body like the ocean. Have what's left of me. But for now, forget about that. Blow the whistle. Baby, you the referee.